Hey yo, I hear you're looking for some product. What's that? You want to know what it looks like? Alright, I'll show you.
These are prime chicken wings with a crunchy texture and a chili garlicky coating with a mala spice blend that will make your tongue go numb.
So what do you think? Do you think you can handle it? What's that? You want me to show you how to make it? Man, you're asking for a lot. Alright, fam. I got you. I got you, fam. Just keep watching.
Dad. Oh shit, hang on.
Yeah?
This melon tastes weird.
Okay. Hey.
Firstly, add the cornstarch into a mixing bowl. Some salt. Cooking wine. A beaten egg. Mix it all together. Add the wings to the mixture and let it stand for 30 minutes. Coat the wings in the tapioca flour. Fry the wings until they're cooked and golden and set aside. In a clean wok, gently fry the garlic and chillies for 2 minutes. Add in the salt, 5 spice powder, the Szechuan and white pepper. Add the fried wings in and mix thoroughly with the spice mix. Serve it in a large bowl or plate and sprinkle some chives on top. Why don't you go ahead and make some now? Make some for your mama and show her you love her.
Alright. Now that I've shown you, you owe me. You owe me a like and a subscribe and a comment. Alright. Peace out.